Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a quick and essential tutorial. How to get to the settings on your iPad in 2025. Whether you're a brand new iPad owner or just need a fast refresher, this guide will help you navigate with ease. Let's dive right in. First, make sure your iPad is powered on and unlocked. You'll want to be on the home screen, which is that main page filled with your apps and widgets. This is your starting point for most things on the iPad. Now, look for the Settings app. It's typically represented by a gray gear icon, and it's often right on your home screen or in the dock for quick access. If you see it, just tap on it once to open. Easy peasy. But what if you can't find it? No problem at all. Simply swipe down from the top of the screen to bring up the search bar. Type in Settings using the on-screen keyboard, and the app should pop up as a search result. Tap on it, and you're good to go. Once inside the Settings app, you'll see a list of options like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, General, and more. This is your control center for customizing your iPad, from adjusting display settings to managing privacy and security. In 2025, Apple might have added even more features, so take a moment to explore. Pro tip: for faster access to specific settings, swipe down from the top right corner to open the control center. From there, you can quickly toggle things like brightness or airplane mode without diving into the full settings menu. And there you have it. Getting to your iPad's settings is straightforward and takes just seconds. If you're new to iPads, this is a great way to start personalizing your device. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and let us know in the comments what else you'd like to learn. See you next time.